Bro, I just spawned in.
You look like that!
Dang.
You say you're what?
Somebody please touch my ass, AJ. Go swap.
Owie.
Nope. Nope.
Go, bitch! My camera!
Hello, motherfucker.
Or in your pill and sniff it.
Ew, what? I don't know.
Rick, all I see is that this little gobbly and blueberry. Dreaming, arcing, walking my dog out in the streets. This is all bitch ass. Oh shoot.
Wow! Hello, Sonic!
My forehead is the size of a hoopo hair, Freddy Krueger. How you doing?
Oh, bugger bitch! Owie! Go, 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 go! You bitch! You bitch!
For me,
Look! Go, you bitch! I found the bell! I farted.
what a glizzy I smell.
Yo, I bet. We got some long hallways. I'm telling you, long shit. It can fill your bubble.
What the heck?
Mr. Clean Butt
You might be good. You might be close. You better watch. Go.
That's what you call it, please don't.
Want to see a magic trick? Good. Abracadabra!
After that, I farted in a poopy and was slipped out. My dad hit me with a cast iron pot.
No. Open! Open it, you bitch!
I farted in a poopy and was slipped out. My dad tried to hit me with a cast iron pot. Bug sprayed my little brother Quavante Singleton's eye.
Yeah, bitch! What's up?